Did you have fun? Did you have fun? Hey, I talked to you on the phone, Russ.
Yeah.
How's it going? Perfect setup. Look at that. All right, we're here in Stamford, New York. Pick it up. Big. This is our biggest group yet. We want to thank Russell here. He gave us the bikes to rent. Gave us the electric bikes. They look sharp. All right. We'll be riding electric bikes today. Look at this. This is their new models, right? Oh, they look snazzy. We are in Stamford, New York. Beautiful spot, right? Give it a good 8, 7, 8. Cool place. Cool place. Yeah. Think about these leaves. Yep. A lemonade stand. Oh, it's hard to spit that one out. Yeah. We are on the Catskill Scenic Rail Trail. beautiful day. The leaves are falling, as you can see. It's just a beautiful sight. Get our crew. They're all hanging back there. We are in the middle of nowhere. Where are we? What town was this again? Hobart?
How much is the buttermilk squash? $2. Excellent. Let's get a buttermilk squash.
Oh, shoot, Sophie. Cool. Get one.
These are 50 cents for it.
That's it. I'm going to pick up the other 3 bikes. Thank you, Russell. Rainbow in the sky. They loved it. All right, Sophie, tell me what you liked about the trail. This is one of my favorite trails, so be nice.
It was very awesome.
Don't say anything bad about my trail.
Don't say nothing bad.
I liked all the colors.
Yeah, the colors.
Leaves changing colors. And
yeah.
we had the perfect weather for this.
I like a little bit of mud. like that.
I think I like the barn cat, the barn dog, the
Yes.
other barn cat.
Yes.
Yeah, the horse.
Yeah, the pony.
Little
What was
pony.
what was her name? Lil
Sammy?
Sammy, yeah, little Sammy.
Little Sammy.
Little Miss Sammy, the horse.
Oh, look at that. I got Venmo. Yeah. Well, buy something.
Look, we need this for the bike.